In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an automated lead management system in Make.com. Pipedrive, 5 minutes. First, open Make.com and head to your dashboard. This is where all your automations live. We're going to create a brand new scenario so you can capture leads automatically and push them straight into Pipedrive without manual data entry. Click Create Scenario. You'll land on a blank canvas where you'll add modules. Start by choosing the app that will provide your leads. This could be a web form, an ad platform, a spreadsheet, or any tool you already use to collect inquiries. Add that app as the first module so it becomes the trigger for your automation. Select the specific trigger event you want, like a new submission or a new row. This tells Make exactly when to run. When prompted, connect the account for that app. Follow the authorization flow, confirm permissions, and save the connection. A quick tip: give the connection a clear name so you can recognize it later. Next, add another module for Pipedrive. This is the destination for your leads. Choose the Pipedrive action you want to happen when a new lead comes in, such as creating a person, an organization, or a deal. Pick the action that matches how you track leads in your CRM. Now map the data from your trigger into the Pipedrive fields. Drag the tokens for name, email, phone, and any other details into the corresponding fields. Fill in any required fields and consider setting fallback values for fields that might occasionally be blank. If your process tracks both people and deals, make sure your deal title or stage is set in a way that keeps your pipeline organized. When you're ready, connect your Pipedrive account and save. Make will prompt you to authenticate with your Pipedrive workspace. Verify you're connecting to the right account, then confirm and save the settings so the module is ready to go. With everything configured, run the scenario to test it. Click Run once, then create a quick test lead in your Trigger app. Watch the scenario progress at the top of the screen and confirm that a new record shows up in Pipedrive with the correct details. If anything looks off, pause and adjust the field mapping until it's perfect. Once your test looks good, turn the scenario on so it runs automatically for every new lead. That's it. Your automated lead management system is live, fast, and reliable.